Good day, everyone. Dylan Francis here. I was just enjoying some breakfast, and all of a sudden the doorbell rang, and turns out Amazon has delivered another package for me. I have a few archery-related products I'd like to share with you. Stay tuned, and we'll get through it together. So, what do we have here? Alright, get that in the picture. Alright, we have just another arrow rest. This is my replacement rest for my Galaxy Sage. Now my Galaxy Sage rest is wearing out. It's been a few hundred arrows for the last couple months. This is on Amazon. It's an add-on item on Amazon. But yeah, check it out. It's the Bear Weather Rest. It's the most basic rest pretty much that they had on Amazon. It's about $6 or $7 Canadian, but it is an add-on item, okay? So you have to spend like 20 or 30 bucks. So I got a few other items for I need for around the house, and I got something else that I'll review later on. But yeah, check it out. So Amazon add-on buy, about $6 or $7. Pretty cool. Comes with adhesive. I'm pretty stoked to put it on. See what happens when I have to. All right, time for a close-up view of the Bear Weather Rest. I just opened the package, came with an adhesive, and then there's the rest here. Oh, there you go. The rest has an adhesive piece to it. Pretty nice. Let's see if we can get a close-up here. Still shot. That's it right there. Put it on the table, close up here. Just think like the best I could do without getting too blurry. See, it has some flex to it. It is a harder plastic or rubber than my my rest I have on now on my my Sage. Please know it does not have a plunger hole, guys. No plunger hole. Now this does pose a problem for me because I do want to get into plungers eventually once I once I get there. So if I do need to replace my rest with this one, and then if I want to start working with a plunger, I'm gonna have to remove this rest and get a new one for my Galaxy Sage. So that's kind of one of the downsides. But this was only $7 Canadian off of Amazon. So, for a quick replacement, it came in like 2 or 3 days. But yeah, there you go. It comes with an adhesive. It has an adhesive on the back, just no plunger hole. Yeah, it's a harder plastic. It's a rubber plastic, but it's harder plastic than my rest that I have right now. But yeah, there you go. That's the Bear Archery Company Bear Weather Rest. I don't know if I can focus onto the features. Features include, it installs easily and quickly, weather resistant, and use with all bows. So there you go, guys. Yeah, if this video was any helpful at all, let me know. Please like the video if it was. Yeah. Happy shooting, guys. Shoot straight, and hope you guys have a wicked day. Subscribe if you want to. No, please subscribe. Thanks.